बताते जाएंगे क्योंकि उनको भी ऐसे बताने को एकदम से नहीं आएगा. तो the more questions you ask, please don't hesitate. It's a small group and he's a wonderful person. So with a smile on his face, he's teaching us. So let's get the maximum from him. Yeah. अभी थोड़ी सी
We'll start with basic understanding about skin webs. And जब तक आपका जो notes है जिसमें step by step लिखा है और जिसमें do's and don'ts भी लिखा है, I would go through it and उसके बाद we'll start with the practicals because understanding first the product is very important.
Perfect.
क्योंकि हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट सभी है यहाँ पे, मुझे आपको किसी को सिजर या कोम पकड़ना नहीं सिखाना है, ना सेक्शंस निकालना सिखाना है. तो ओनली थिंग यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड जो आपको समझना है कि एप्लीकेशन कैसे करना है और प्लेसमेंट्स. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट प्लेसमेंट्स इन एप्लीकेशन. अगर आपको एक बार ही प्लेसमेंट और एप्लीकेशन समझ में आ गया, यू वुड बी मास्टर विद इट. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, I do 2 head application in a day and I earn somewhere around 80,000 to 1 lakh.
Superb. तो अपना सेल कितना होना चाहिए सोचो.
So technically अगर मैं पूरे दिन में 3 rebonding करूँ, I won't have my food, struggling with the ironing and putting the creams, bearing the smell. I prefer doing 1 extension 1 day would give me a revenue of 40 to 50,000.
Perfect. And
so technically we are all business oriented people and we are getting paid for our services. So technically आपको ऐसे services करने हैं which would put you across from a group to the other segment. Technically सबको सब चीज करने आती है, but what is the difference in you? The difference is the expertise with extensions, जो सबको नहीं होता है. And once you do it, you are out from the group and you are visible with it. So that is really important. ठीक है? Waiting for the notes. एक बार जब notes आ जाएंगे, we will go step by step कि क्या do's है, क्या don'ts है, after care क्या है, extensions का importance क्या है, क्यों लगाया जाता है और यही extensions क्यों use करने हैं. There are various extensions in the market. Why only Wigomania? I have used everything, but after using everything, I only trust Wigomania because I like the quality. I like the products after effects also. It is not कि लगाने के वक्त अच्छा है, बाद में जब वो 3 महीने तक क्लाइंट के सिर पे रहता है, the client is very comfortable with it because these are splices. और splices क्या होते हैं, आपके स्किन के जैसा ही होगा. That's why it's known as skin webs. तो क्या है मैं आपको बताऊंगा. I would want to give you my introduction first, which is very important because you need to understand me, my caliber, at the same time what I expertise in. Okay? मेरा नाम हर्ष है, हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों भी मिक्स करूँगा मैं. Okay? मेरा नाम हर्ष है और आई एम 27. Okay? Not very old in the industry, सिर्फ 7 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है. I started when I was 17-18. Okay? और I have been doing this extensions for the last 3 years now. Okay? My background is I am a graduate with Christine Valley, which is a US Institute of Aesthetics. उसके बाद I am a City and Gills Level 3 stylist. I am a City and Gills Level trainer. I have done my train the trainers from L'Oreal. So I am a certified trainer from L'Oreal. I was working with Enrich Group of Salons as a senior technical educator for more than 3 years. Right now my profile is I am working with Manzoor Khan, who is a celebrity makeup artist who only caters to celebs. I am handling his salons as a salon director. So ये मेरा प्रोफाइल है. And technically because we are catering to a lot of celebs, extensions वहाँ पे आता है. Because those people they get paid for what they look like, whether there is skin or whether there is hair. So technically we work here very much with them because they need a lot of different looks when they are catering to all maybe a serial or maybe a movie industry or something. So that's where the extension things come. Okay? And trust me, once you get these extensions and once you get used to these extensions, you would never use any other extensions, not even great length. Okay?
So we don't do much. That's why I want, in Mumbai, we have not done extensions so much. Great lengths are very popular in Delhi. And that's why I wanted something which they will understand and quickly start using so that, Mumbai, hardly any salons do extensions.
Okay.
I mean salons.
Salon.
I'm not talking about certain, as you said, your niche is that, like you are more into celebrity. But normal people, office going people and all are basically our crowd. I mean the